Welcome to Singapore, ladies and gentlemen. The local time is 11:20 in the morning and the temperature is 28 degrees Celsius, 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Please remain seated and seated at the bell sign is turned off and ensure that your mobile phone remains switched off until doors are opened. Please remember to remove your personal belongings from your seat pockets and take care when opening the overhead compartments. If you need assistance at the airport, please approach our ground staff after disembarkation. Please note that there are severe penalties for the carriage of prohibited items such as drugs and weapons into Singapore. If you are continuing your journey on another Singapore Airlines flight, please also note the boarding gate for your flight will close 10 minutes before the scheduled departure time. Do also note the restrictions on the carriage of liquid, aerosols and gels in hand luggage on all flights departing from Singapore Changi Airport. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.